In today's video, we're going to be showing you 3 different apps that you can start using to start earning right away. All of these apps have only one purpose and one purpose only, and that is to create an income stream that continues to flow on complete autopilot. Yes, you heard that right. Passive income, just like the way that you guys like it. You won't need to do any work or sell anything at all. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so that you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. First up we have for today is called DollarClix. And to get to their website where you can read more about them, you can just type in DollarClix.com, and this is what their website is supposed to look like. So basically, DollarClix is an app that you can earn rewards from and hard cold cash as well by answering very simple surveys. You can get paid through PayPal, bank transfer, Tango gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and many more. Now this website has a lot of partners, all of these ones right here. Paul Fish, Offerwall, One Ads, Personally, Peanut Lubs, and so much more, which just makes it more of a guarantee that this website is as legit as it claims to be. The #1 paid survey community goes mobile. It's a mobile-friendly platform to track your progress and complete offers. You can automatically participate in contests and promotions for increased earnings. You can refer other members and earn from their activity for life. You can participate in our active member community, share success stories, and learn from veteran members. There are hundreds of new surveys added daily. There is always something to do. You can get access to the largest inventory of paid surveys available online. You can earn bonuses for joining, and every day for being active, you can convert your earnings to many more gifts and receive instantly. As you can see, get rewarded for completing surveys. New offers available daily. Receive rewards in your sleep while your referrals complete surveys. Easiest way to earn Amazon, PayPal, and others. Also available an exclusive affiliate program for maximum referral earnings. There have been over $2 million total rewards claimed, over 500,000 gift cards sent. And now we want to show you some payment proof just so that you guys have something to look forward to when you're about to join. As you can see, there are so many people cashing out their payments through their preferred payment method. There's even the date of when they cashed out. People are literally cashing out $56, $46, $130, and even $190. All of these payments aren't even cents or just small change. These are big dollar bills, and this is how much these people are earning every single day and cashing out every single day as well with this first app. To sign up, just click on sign up now right here, and as you can see, they have a little bit of information and put it on here. So it says earning money at DollarClix is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Start earning money online today. It only takes 30 seconds and is absolutely free to join. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer. PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be, let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. Make money online by completing daily offers, paid surveys, trial offers, tasks, polls, and many more. And get paid daily via PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa gift card, Tango card, and Amazon. Also, instant PayPal available. Now add in your personal info, PayPal address or payment info, and mailing address. Once it's all complete, and correct. Confirm you're not a robot, agree to the terms, and hit create an account, and boom, there's your account, and you can immediately start earning. Next app is called Big Ticket Commissions, and to get to their website to know more, just type in bigticketcommissions.net, and this is what you should see next. Now, as you can see, this is the world's first automated high-ticket commission system. Brand new web-based app generates instant high-ticket commissions and red-hot buyer traffic in under 60 seconds. We use this app to make $1,000 commissions daily, and it is 100% done for you. Imagine $1,000 made for you every single day. Some benefits would be automated big ticket commissions, so guaranteed results on your first day. There's 100% free traffic included, the fastest and easiest way to bank 5-figure commissions. All-inclusive solution with no monthly costs or extra tools needed, and beat the recession and live the life of your dreams. Basically, on this app, you can insert your affiliate link, activate the free traffic, and then sit back and get sales. Now that's crazy. It'll only take 15 minutes and can be done with those 3 simple steps, and the results are game-changing. Look at all these people literally earning and cashing out $1,000 a day. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next, so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. Third app and our last app is called OnePageProfits.com, and on this website you'll see that what this does is that the world's fastest and easiest breakthrough for automated $300 commissions from free traffic. Now this one you can earn at least $300 from, which again, absolutely insane. Automated big ticket commissions like clockwork, multiple income streams from 5 top converting DFY profit pages, passive paydays. These mini cash machines sell you for you 24/7 with zero maintenance. All-inclusive solution with no monthly costs or extra tools needed. Recession-proof business solution with no monthly costs or extra recession-proof business that's growing at double-digit rates. All of this money in a push of a button. This drives autopilot commissions in just 2 easy steps. You paste and plug and earn. It's that easy, so make sure that you check this app as well. And that is everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.